Well, let's get started with some breaking news coming in of some disturbing developments in Punjab. Clashes are reported from Amritsar on this anniversary of Operation Blue Star. Remember, the situation has been tense in neighbouring Jammu, where violent protests in fact have played out on the streets. One Sikh youth was also killed and media OB vans were torched. But now clearly that violence seems to have moved in Amritsar as well. Mail Today correspondent Manjeet Sehgal joins me now with details. Manjeet, take us through what is playing out on the ground. How tense really is the situation?
Smita, on the 31st anniversary of Operation Blue Star on Saturday, the went off peacefully, but later the supporters of Shiromani Akali Dal Amritsar clashed with the police, and 6 people were injured in the clash. And the protest was led by former MP Dhyan Singh Mann, and they assembled at Golden Temple and raised Khalistan Zindabad slogans besides brandishing swords. So as many as 20 Sikh youth were detained by the police. Sita?
But is there any report of somebody having been injured? Is the situation now under control?
Yes, Mita, the situation is almost under the control now, and the police has detained 25 Sikh youth.
Yes, we seem to have lost that connection with Manjeet Sehgal, but as Manjeet was reporting that more or less the day had passed on peacefully, but only later on were there, of course, some slogans shouting between two groups at Amritsar's Golden Temple, as you can see in those visuals. In fact, there were some pro-Khalistan slogans and also some swords that were waved, but later on some 26 people were detained, and the situation now, though, seems to be under control. So these are fresh visuals coming in from Amritsar. Remember the entire, in fact, protest that started erupting out in Jammu in its Rani Bagh areas just last week, where suddenly the militant leader Bhindranwale's posters had sprung on Jammu streets, and when they were taken off the streets, in fact, some sections of the Sikh youths they had taken to protests, and now these visuals coming in from Amritsar's Golden Temple as well. Let's go back to Mail Today's Manjeet Sehgal, who joins me once again. Manjeet, as I was trying to get a sense if there is some injury that has been reported to, and what is the situation now? Is the police has it managed to really control the situation?
Yes, Sunita, indeed the situation is almost under control now. The police has detained 25 Sikh youths who are protesting near the Golden Temple complex, and the police has detained 25 Sikh youths who are shouting pro-Khalistan slogans. The security arrangements were very tight. The police has barricaded the entire area, but despite the barricading and despite the deployment of heavy police force, they did 24 Sikh youths. They managed to enter the area, and they shouted slogans, and they clashed with the police, and 6 persons were injured. Now
Manjeet, just hold on till there. In fact, apprising media of the latest situation, and also seem to be suggesting that around 5 to 7 people are reportedly injured, while most of the people in fact have been detained now, when police buses are coming in so that these detained people can be taken away from Golden Temple. Joining me on the phone line is also Mr. Arvinder Singh, who is the Secretary General for Shiromani Akali Dal. Mr. Singh, if you could first give us a sense of how did this situation really sort of play out. Everything seemed to be calm at first. Suddenly there were slogans shouting that started.
देखिए, ये जो प्रबंधक हैं, श्रोमणी गुरुद्वारा प्रबंधक कमेटी है, ये रिस्पॉन्सिबल है आज के क्लैश के लिए भी और पिछले साल के लिए भी, और इन्होंने पिछले साल से कोई सबक नहीं सीखा। और गजब की बात यह है कि जिस वक्त चौक मेहता पे इसका प्रधान सरदार अवतार सिंह मक्कड़ को सबसे अच्छे प्रबंध के लिए अवार्ड दिया जा रहा था, उस वक्त वहाँ पर अकाल तख्त के ऊपर जो सिखों की मार कुटाई हो रही थी और डंडों से लाठियों से पीटा जा रहा था इसकी टास्क फोर्स की तरफ से। और हम इसकी इंसिडेंट्स की कंटेम करते हैं। ये झूठ बोलते हैं भाई 4-5 आपस में ये बोल रहे थे, आपस में कुछ ईगो क्लैश हो गया, बिल्कुल नहीं। इन्होंने वो नारे मार रहे थे और इन्होंने उनको पीटा भी, और एसीपी ने इनको बोला भी भाई इसमें आप सख्त कदम मत उठाइए, सिर्फ आप आराम से 4-4, 5-5 आदमी किनारे करके बाहर भेज दीजिए, सब शांति हो जाएगी, आप फिक्र ना करें।
लेकिन क्या अरविंद साहब, आपको नहीं लगता कि अगर शायद सख्त कदम उठाया होता पुलिस ने या डंडे का इस्तेमाल किया होता तो शायद स्थिति और बिगड़ सकती थी? इस वक्त आप क्या सुन रहे हैं कि स्वर्ण मंदिर के अंदर की स्थिति क्या है अभी?
देखो जी, स्वर्ण मंदिर के अंदर इस पर स्थिति तो ठीक है, मगर ये कितनी एक गलत बात है भाई इतने बड़े स्थान में अंदर लाठियां डंडे चलें और लोगों को पीटा जाए। ये बात सोचने की है भी ऐसे कैसे बात बनेगी। ये लोगों के जो से आस्था को बड़ी भारी ठेस पहुंची है और ऐसी कमेटी को कोई अधिकार नहीं है आगे कोई प्रबंध करने का या काम करने का।
क्या लोगों को इजाजत है लाठियां लेकर घुसने की प्रेमिस के अंदर?
देखिए, इजाजत तो कोई मनाही नहीं है, मगर बिल्कुल वहां पर लाठियां चलाने की मनाही है। और ये लाठियां भी इनके जो सेवादार हैं उनके पास थी, उनके पास नहीं थी जो श्रद्धालु गए हुए हैं।
तो आप
लाठियां इनके पास थी, इन्होंने चलाई हैं।
सर, आप सिख समुदाय के अपने लोगों से जो है क्या अपील करना चाहेंगे इस वक्त हमारे चैनल के माध्यम से?
मैं आपसे यही अपील आपके माध्यम से करना चाहता हूँ भाई सब शांति बना के रखनी चाहिए और ऐसे स्थानों में नारेबाजी भी नहीं करनी चाहिए और मार कुटाई भी नहीं करनी चाहिए। ये जो स्थान है ये पवित्र स्थान है, यहाँ पर सिर्फ आप परमात्मा की पाठ पूजा कर सकते हैं। ये नारेबाजियों के स्थान नहीं है। अगर किसी ने भुलक्कड़ लगाई भी है तो उसका जवाब लाठी सोटा नहीं है। दोनों तरफ से शांति होनी चाहिए।
और ये सिर्फ गोल्डन टेम्पल की स्थिति के बारे में आप कह रहे हैं या आपको लग रहा है कि
बिल्कुल वो गोल्डन टेम्पल में ही है ना जी, ये सारा कुछ अकाल तख्त के सामने हुआ गोल्डन टेम्पल को बात।
कोई आशंका तो नहीं है सर कि उसके बाहर या पूरे पंजाब में जो है एक बार फिर से स्थिति बिगड़ सकती है?
नहीं, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है। भाई पंजाब है, बाकी अगर ये ऐसे रोजमर्रा ऐसे करते रहेंगे तो ये आग सुलगते हुए कितनी देर सकती है जी।
चलिए, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका हरविंदर सिंह सरना साहब, who's the Secretary General in fact of the Shiromani Akali Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee, and he of course was seemed to suggest that there are more than in fact 5 to 7 people injured as opposed to what the police is saying. But Manjeet, one quick word from you: is there an apprehension that the security situation on the ground in the state in fact remains tense, given that it is that death anniversary of Bhindranwale as well?
Yes, Smita, now the situation is under control now, but the tension remains because two different factions of Sikhs, one headed by the Shiromani Akali Dal Amritsar and the SGPC supporters who clashed with each other today.
Right.
The situation is under control, but the tension is still mounting there.
Well, thank you so much, Manjeet Sehgal, for joining us with all that update. And in fact, here through India Today also, we continue to appeal to people to stay calm and to maintain communal harmony in